Hi, let's see how we can access the courses that we have already enrolled in our Art of Cooking website. So first of all, you need to go to any of your browser, that might be Safari, that might be Chrome, or any of the browser. You just need to go to courses.artofcooking.co slash my courses. You must have received a mail with this URL, and you can also find the URL in the description below of this video. Once you come on this page, once you're on this page, you need to log in with your username and password. The username and password has been mailed to you when you enrolled in the course for the first time. So you can, here in the username, you can put the username that you have already received on your mail, or you can also input your email address. Okay, and if you don't remember your password, you can just click on forget password, and like when you click on forget password, here you would find a page where you can just input your email address and click on recover account. So when you click on this, you will receive an email with the password reset link. So you just need to click on that link and you can input a new password. Once you already have your password, you just need to put in your username, the email ID or the username and password in the respective fields, and just click on login. So once you have logged in, here you would find a dashboard with like a my accounts dashboard, but we don't need to go to this my accounts dashboard. You just need to click on the three lines that are present on the top right corner and go to my courses page. So basically you just need to go to my courses page again. So once you are on the my courses page, here you would find all your enrolled courses in one place. So you don't need to go to another like separate pages to access all your courses. You will find all your enrolled courses in the single, like in this page itself. So once you're here, you just need to click on the respective course. So here I will click on the 30 amazing salad dressings class. I have clicked on this, and here I can find all the course content that is present in the class. So once you're on this page, you will find the course content over here. And if you see, if I click on 12 amazing salad dressings, so here I will find the video of 12 amazing salad dressings. I will just go to the menu on the top left corner. Here you would find, or you can navigate through the course easily. I will just click on written PDF notes and WhatsApp group. And here, as you can see, I will find the links to the PDF notes. I will just click on this and it will redirect me to the PDF notes. Here we also have the private WhatsApp group for queries. So if you have any queries regarding the course, you can put it in the WhatsApp group that you are provided. So here, if I click on the link, it will redirect me to the WhatsApp group and I can join the group and I can put my queries, right? So here is how you can access your course, and it is a quite simple process. So apart from this, if you have any technical queries, if you have anything, if you face any technical problem, you can just contact Bhagesh Gandhi. Bhagesh Gandhi is from our technical and marketing team, so he would be helping you with all the technical queries. Chef Poonam Bindra is our trainer, so she's also present in the group that you would join in the course. So you can post your queries and you would be getting the reply from Chef Poonam. I hope you're clear with how to access the course and what all and how all it works. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any queries, please WhatsApp us or mail us. Thank you.